What's up guys, hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to the channel. A few things I've got to do today. I've got to go for my MOT because my MOT ran out about a month ago, but I didn't find out till 3 days ago. So I've been driving around for like a month really illegally, so I'm gonna go get that sorted out. Hopefully I'll pass, and then I'm gonna go pick up my friend Court, and then we're gonna go down to the unit, and then we're gonna do the work surfaces, and I think that's the final step before I get the car in. Might be a few other things, but other than that, but yeah, let's get to it. Alright then guys, I've passed, no advisors or anything, so I'm absolutely buzzing. No money I've got to spend on the car, and I didn't doubt it in any way. It's a good car. But anyway, I actually found out my car's got cruise control on accident, so you know, one of them good ones. But anyway, the plan now is gonna go load my car up with my tools, then head down to the unit, and then we're gonna start making the work surface. Imagine, so I'm just getting ready to go down to the unit, just packing my car and everything, and my neighbour's moving out now. Grant, you're an absolute fucking legend, man. You will be missed. The lad just gave me a new computer chair for my unit, for my desk, and he just gave me 2 flat screen TVs, so mate, whatever you choose to do with your future, you're an absolute legend and a wicked neighbour, and I wish you all the best. This might look a bit familiar to some of you OGs. The good old Pickle Civic. Rest in peace. Right, so just turned the lights on. My pal Courtney's in the car. Gonna bring him in, see what he thinks. I've showed him a photo of what he looked like when I first moved in. Let's see what he thinks now. So from the picture you just saw, bro, I want to hear your opinion on this now.
Why was man going dark, blood?
It's a messy road. What do you think?
Jesus!
Compared to the photo you just saw, what's it saying?
Yeah, but that is looking down, man.
So the plan for today is going to be making a worktop there using the rest of the OSB, and we've got all this 2x4 timber. I think that's all I'm going to need. I've got some hinges and stuff like that just in case I'll make doors or anything, but I'm not too sure about that yet. But I've always got the materials there if we need it. But yeah, let's get to it. You ready? I was speechless. Guys, we've been here for about 20 minutes and the guy's already still buzzing. He's walking around the whole place like, oh my God. Courtney, what do you think?
Oh, me!
Fuck's sake. But yeah, I think it's time to get started. Just boiling the kettle because I need a cup of tea. But yeah, so yeah, we're just gonna get the wood and everything ready. I don't know if I'm gonna use this piece of board here, but might. Shut up, man. Oh shit. Back to where I was. So yeah, I'm just gonna use this 2x4 just to get a general idea of how wide I want it. Just gonna lay it down and then mark it up. I'm just gonna do the top first, and then after that I'll see how much wood's left and then get onto the legs. And then if anything's left, I'll either use that to make cabinets or so that I can add some more structural rigidity. So yeah, let's get to it.
Cold areas, very noisy. None of that business over here, man.
Alright, so I've cut the wood down. I've gone with 1.5 meters by 90 centimeters, and that's just one piece of wood, like one of these lengths. So I should have quite a lot of wood left to do some structural stuff and maybe put some shelves and supports in. But yeah, so what I'm going to be going for is going to be notching the corners to a 45. That way, no. But anyway, you get the gist. That's the one. There we go. But I'm going to be notching these and then drilling them through the sides. Rather than having them this way, I'm going to be having them vertically. Hopefully to make it a bit stronger. But the plan is I'm just going to duplicate this, do it 2 more times, notch the corners just so they're on 45s, and then draw them all together.
Oh, the perfection.
You already know, boy. Right then, so this should fit nice and snug now. There you go. So the plan is I'm just going to send some screws in there all the way around just so it's very strong and stiff. And then I'm going to cut out some legs, maybe about a metre, probably a bit bigger than a metre. Drill those in, just so it's strong. I also think I'm going to have to put some diagonals in there just to keep it strong, because I'm planning on using my vice and other stuff like that, so I don't want to be like much movement in there. And then once that's done, literally just got to chuck this on, cut it out to size, cut it out to size. Whilst that's on there, I might actually put some support straight across, because the OSB is really thin, so there will be a bit of play in it, which I don't really want that. So I'm just going to crack on with this, and yeah, let's do it. Okay then, so it's all put together now. There's a few more screws in it. Once I've put it all together and I'll see if I've got any screws left, I'll put some more in as and when it needs it. But the chop saws cut these quite rough, so I'm just going to get a grinder with a bit of 80 grit, and then just go over it. Cool, so whilst it's like that, I am going to put another piece of timber in between here. I don't think long-wise is going to be necessary, but if I've got the spare wood, then I will do it, but other than that. Okay, so I've got the support in now. I've used a bit of shit timber. I've got some good timber and shit timber, so you're never actually going to see this unless if you're down on your hands and knees. But anyway, I'm just going to drill this straight in, and a bit of PPE advice for you, which stands for personal protective equipment. Don't wear socks and sliders when you're doing cutting and shit, so yeah.
Words of wisdom from the master.
Nice. Alright then, so the trick I need to do now is to get an idea of how high I want the stand to be. I'm going to do a bit of research now to see what the normal height for a worktop is. I'm 6 foot, so I don't know if these dimensions that you're going to find on the internet are going to be made for us tall buggers. But yeah, let's do it.
Let's watch MARKEL now setup.
The fuck? Okay. Right then, so I've cut out all of the 4 legs and I've just propped this up on its side. All I'm going to do is send a few screws all the way through it, and then it should theoretically stand up, because that's what tables do. Lovely. Alright then guys, so that's the main table support made. As you can see, it is a bit flimsy. So I'm going to make some sort of support in between both here. But I think I'm going to do that last. I'm going to put this on, cut it all out, and then support it after. Right then, so I need to stop eating wall plugs. But anyway, this is down for now. I was gonna measure it all up and then cut it all to size off of here. But I think I'm just gonna get the jigsaw on and hopefully it just stays flush to the edges.
That's what happens when he gets lazy, blood.
Uh-huh.
Oh, what?
Fingers crossed. Let's just send it. Yeah. Yeah, I need to want some goggles.
Yeah, this is what you need, the PPE. Protect them eyes, boy. That's man's PPE, you know.
Apart from myself, so you have to make let's do a second pass. Pretty good. So no judgment please, but I will be getting a sander over it just to make sure this is just as smooth as possible. But don't zoom in too much, man.
You mean?
Yeah, let's do it again. Anyway, the ugly corner, we can go in that corner, so I'm not actually too worried. Should be okay. Let's go.
Ooh, look at this. The perfection right there.
That's far from perfection, but if you've got the time and the resources, then definitely cut it out before you start screwing it all together. That's what I wish I did.
Don't he look swag in his glasses? You know, man, whatever you do, man, you gotta look good doing it, you get me? You know what I'm saying?
I think people are like, and that's why he does videos on his own.
Yeah. Oh, god damn it.
But it's not too bad.
Yeah, that's fucking nice, man.
So,
Yeah, man.
so I could probably just leave it as it is now, but I think I'll probably regret it in the future, so I will be making some supports. I have got a few more lengths of timber, and I might as well just make use with them. So I think maybe just do some support in between the legs like that so they are structurally sound, and if there are any, well, if there is enough spare, then I will do some lengths like that. But I'll be able to find out in a minute to see if I've actually got any wood left.
You know, it'd be a nice design for an air and that. It's my own personal designer, ladies and gentlemen. You see right here, in the middle of the room.
Strip club.
Yeah. I love it.
So I was going to say, because it's white walls, have like a black leather sofa, and I don't know if you've ever seen Casting Couch.
Yeah. So, what makes you want to do this job then, huh?
Yeah, trust me. It's one way of getting birds for your business. Alright, and so with this, I've just measured up a foot, and I'm just going to throw a few holes in. And I'm not going to lie, I wish I started doing pilot holes at the start, because it goes in so much easier. There is going to be so much footage of where I've started to drill and the drill's like so pilot holes, remove that. So if you're going to be doing this yourself, I definitely recommend it. There you go. Cheeky. big boy.
You trust me?
What do you mean, trust me?
I'll tell you what now, it would be no help if you asked me to stand on there.
Could put a cable on it.
Oh, come on! That's a bit toxic, mate.
Alright, so this is all done as far as I think. I am going to put some sort of support straight across there, just so that when that's on, I've got a spare piece of plywood from when I put the walls up, and I'm thinking I can lay that flat on the inside. I've also got some old pallets as well, which I can take the tops off them and then lay them flat to give it a nice little hipster, authentic little look. But other than that, I'm quite happy. It's quite sturdy. It's not massively sturdy, but can't really picture myself doing very heavy duty jobs on there, especially when it looks this pretty. I don't really want to ruin it. What do you think?
I like it.
Yeah.
I think it looks wicked, man. You've done a damn good job on it. Nice and smooth and that. And obviously, yo, you stood on it, so you know what I mean? It could take some weight.
Trust me. Yeah.
Look how big this dude is right here.
I'm not too sure. I'm thinking about it.
What?
I think I'm.
What are you thinking?
I think I might just put a beam straight across from here to there, just so that.
Okay.
Because before I put this in, the leg was like a bit of a slag. So
yeah.
I think if I do that the same to there, if the legs are in or out, then it should stay the same. And to do that, rather than measuring from the bottom, I'm going to measure as high to the top as I can, just so that when I put the wood in and cut it down, it should bring the legs together. So, say about just under 50. Okay. So 49 and 3/4. Should we move it?
Yeah, man, let's go.
Let's go. 3, 2, 1.
And then here's you with the one hand and here's me with the two hands. Yeah, you capture that moment, you capture it. Man, lift it up.
Took it in. And there we go.
Go on.
That was good, man. Try and sit on it. Try and sit on it.
Yeah?
Yeah, go on.
You in it?
Go on then.
Whoosh!
Go on.
Wah!
She's saying, have a wiggle.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
That's fucking all good, man.
He's got a bit of play, but I don't think I'm going to have anything on there heavier than you. So yeah, I'm really happy about that. Yeah! Alright then guys, thank you so much for watching. If I helped you in any way, shape or form, please feel free to like, share and subscribe. If you like this strange bugger and you'd like to see me in more of the videos, make sure you press that like button and I will catch you in the next one. Peace!